Did you know dragons have fascinated humanity for centuries? In the next few seconds, you'll learn incredible facts about these mythical creatures. Dragons appear in the myths of various cultures worldwide. In Chinese culture, they symbolize power and luck. European dragons are often depicted as fire-breathing monsters. Some dragons are believed to control elements like water and wind. They are often portrayed guarding treasures or ancient wisdom. Dragons also symbolize the unknown and untamed parts of nature. In modern fiction, dragons take on endless varieties and roles. From Game of Thrones to Harry Potter, their allure is timeless. Could dragons be inspired by real ancient reptiles or dinosaurs? It remains a mystery. But their impact on imagination is undeniable. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more fascinating insights.